Only 3 months left for the board exams. Most of the schools में classes में accountancy का syllabus खत्म हो गया है. Now it is time to revise for the subject. For your convenience, I have prepared a timetable, a detailed timetable of revision of accountancy, which starts from November 24 to December 21st. ये timetable में मैं कौन सा chapter तुमको कितने घंटे revise करना है और उसके test कब देने हैं, I have written in the timetable. If it suits you, follow the timetable. If you still have any doubt, numbers are provided. You can always call up or message on this number.
24th and 25th 2 घंटे आपको पार्टनरशिप फंडामेंटल्स करने हैं. दैट इज टोटल 4 hours ऑफ रिविजन. 26th and 27th दोनों मिलाकर आपको गुडविल एंड चेंज इन प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो करना है. 3 hours गिवन टू यू. 28th and 29th 3 hours ऑफ एडमिशन ऑफ अ पार्टनर. फिर संडे को आपको एक 1.5 hour का टेस्ट देना है विच विल बी ऑफ 50 marks. December 1st and 2nd 4 hours are given for retirement and death of a partner because both the chapters are quite similar. 3rd December को dissolution of a partner 2 hours. Then 4th December for 3 hours you are going to give book 1 partnership का test of 80 marks. 5th and 6th December 3 घंटे के लिए share capital. Again on Sunday that is 7th share capital plus debentures. 8th को वापस debentures का revision होगा and 9th को you are going to give a test of 50 marks of only share capital and debentures. 10th December and 11th December will be financial statement analysis and tools of financial statement. 12th को ratio analysis and 13th को भी ratio analysis total 4 घंटे. फिर 14th को cash flow statement 3 hours. 15th को वापस cash flow statement करोगे so total hours for cash flow statement 5 hours because it is very important chapter. 16th को एक छोटा सा टेस्ट होगा again of 50 marks book 3. 17th take rest. 18th 19th 20 तीनों books के theory होगा. You will study, you will revise for the theory part which is very useful MCQ में और CUET के लिए. 21st that is Sunday you will give one board test paper that is 23-24 year का 3 hours test.
Study hard, work hard, but remember one thing, the numbers in the mark sheets don't define you.